Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you're not new, hey, thank you for coming back and watching another video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn my post notifications on because I am not consistent as I thought I would be when I first started my channel. I really was like, yeah, every Sunday I'm putting a video out. Every Sunday I have not been putting a video out, so go ahead and turn my post notifications on so you can see some more of me and see when I actually do post. But today's video, as you guys can see by the title and the bomb ass wig on my hair, is a wig install from Lucent hair extensions. It's my girl Deani. Go ahead and shop with her. She sells clip-ins too.
Real quality, real hair, solid.
And yeah, so she's about to start selling wigs. This is one of the wigs that she's gonna start selling. This is 99J. This hair, I didn't bleach no knots. I literally put this wig on my head straight out the bag, like straight out the bag. And my freaking wig cap is not even like bald cap method, like baby. It's just a wig cap, some concealer and vibes, like, and we did what needed to be done. So with that being said, without further ado, keep on watching and watch me install my hair. So this is the hair. It's from Lucent hair extensions. It's actually my bitch Deani. Be added to the site soon. So this is a 99J wig, 24 inches, I believe. It's either 24 or 22. Well, let me see. This gotta be 24. I will say the hair is very true to length. I might do a quick wig install. I'm actually not gonna bleach the knots because I don't have any bleach. So I'm gonna show y'all how to finesse a wig. And I'm not even doing my wig cap like normal. This is gonna be a very much like fast wig install, but it's gonna look good. So just follow along with the voiceover. And yeah, we're gonna get into it.
Yeah.
Okay, so first things first, I'm taking some foundation and just applying it on the lace with a kabuki brush. And now I'm cutting the lace off. So now I'm just taking Bold Hold Liquid Gold and applying that to my edges and pushing them all back. That way, when I put my wig on, you can't see any of my hairline.
Nobody touch me in a rush. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation.
I'm just taking some foundation and covering my wig cap and the base of my hairline into my edges. That way it's kind of giving scalp without having to actually do a bald cap method.
But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. To me, I be work. You see me do me dirt.
Now I'm taking my wax stick and just pushing my hair back.
When you walk before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in this.
Now I'm going in with a little bit of glue just to kind of give myself that security.
No, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this.
Now I'm just taking my wig and pressing it into the glue and pushing it back. You guys can just kind of watch as I'm doing it.
You see me, I feel work. You see me do my da. So me by that when you.
Now I'm just applying a little bit more makeup on my edges and then applying my elastic bands.
Okay, you need to get done. That'll work, come over. Yeah. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come on, yeah. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more?
Okay, so as I was styling the hair, I was realizing like I do need to pluck my part a little bit more, so that's exactly what I'm doing here.
In the place, you will spend some time away. Now you need to forward. Give me all the work.
You see me, I feel work.
I'm taking an eyeliner brush and going in on my part with that same color foundation. And your girl is looking good as fuck, honestly. I'm taking the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine, applying it all over my hair, focusing more on the ends, and then I'm going to go ahead and get into styling and curling my hair. You guys can just kind of watch what I do to curl.
Yeah. 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 Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm
Okay, so pro tip, if you don't have a hot comb, just use your curling iron and press it along your hair, and it'll give you pretty much the same effect for real.
what y'all gon' do about it? Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here.
So now I'm just cutting the lace and doing pretty big general cuts, and then I'm gonna go back in and kind of do a detailed cut and see kind of where my hairline fits, what works for me.
Invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody.
Now I'm just doing my detail cuts.
Everybody, nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be, it couldn't be. I don't know what happened.
So I'm pulling the hair out that I want to use for my baby hairs, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to go ahead and end up plucking these two before I start to gel it down.
Don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard.
I'm applying a little bit of glue right here because the lace was lifting and it looked a fucking mess.
Southside, I've been losing friends and finding peace.
Y'all, this got me so weak because I really was trying to be like the TikTok girlies and curl these edges, but I don't never do nothing like that. And it looked stupid as hell because that big curling iron was not doing anything. For my edges, I just take a comb with little teeth and swoop them, get them where I want them to be, and then I cut the baby hairs, and then I do it again and gel it down.
I'ma roll on them forever, let her roll on me. Split this one down the middle, wake up in a harmony.
Eclipse. Don't close your eyes to get away. Just bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful, girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is a
So the lace was still lifting, pissing me off, and what I did was just went in with some more glue, and I'm pretty sure I used liquid gold the first time, not the glue, so I'm using the big dog stuff now, so this lace can stay down and I don't look bad. But now, as you guys can see, the front is kind of like, you can see my hairline for real, so what I'm doing is just taking some more baby hairs and calling it a day to cover that up, because I'm not reapplying this wig.
Man, I stay expecting it. The pessimists, gold medalists, flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens down.
Yeah, don't play with it. Don't fucking play with it because that swoop is looking incredible. And I don't even like no middle swoop for real. Like, I'm fucking with it.
So this is the finished look, you guys. And as you guys can tell, I'm not gonna lie, I really bodied this shit for the knots not to be bleached. And I want to give a shout out to Lucent hair extensions for sure. Because this wig was actually really easy to work with the knots not being bleached, like just a little bit of concealer. And I can only imagine what this hair would look like if I actually did bleach the knots. I would probably look incredible right now, like, but I'm really fucking with the red. I was not expecting to like it as much as I do, honestly. I'm just very like, I love black hair. But I'm really fucking with this. You know, I might add some curls, but
Girl, it's giving.
fuck out of here. Like, I look good. If you want to see my makeup, go ahead and watch my next upload. Sorry, I'm very low energy today. I'm just really chilling. Like, I just don't have, I'm just chilling for real. Like, but